008 to 018, front view, strong presence. With its commanding front grille and striking LED headlights, the Tucson makes a powerful first impression wherever it goes. 019 to 029, left side, dynamic design. From the side, its sculpted body lines and bold 19-inch alloy wheels create a sense of motion, even when standing still. 030 to 040, right side, premium comfort. On the right, the panoramic sunroof and chrome accents invite you to experience every journey with unmatched comfort and elegance. 041 to 051, rear view, distinctive signature. At the back, signature connected tail lights, a sporty bumper, and a powered tailgate combine style with practicality. 052 to 105, closing, emotional impact. The Hyundai Tucson 2025. More than just an